Senator representing Edo North, Oshiomhole, has dared the Rise TV anchor and former presidential spokesperson, Dr. Abati, to a fight over what he described as disrespectful and mischievous comment on live television. Oshiomhole issued the challenge on Tuesday during an appearance on Channel's television Politics Today program, where he reacted to a recent episode of Rise TV's morning show, in which Abati questioned former Delta State Governor Ifeanyi Okowa. Oshiomhole, who is the former president of the Nigerian Labour Congress and ex-governor of Edo State, said he found it absurd that Abati would imply he had such powers within the APC. How can you ask that? What is my status? I'm in the legislature. Is legislature responsible for the prosecution of anyone wrong in any way? Oshiomhole questioned.
And I believe that this is just the art of mischief makers. They prefer to take the negative side. Now, how can you ask, what is my status? Like you rightly said, I am now in the legislature. Is the legislature responsible for prosecution of anybody involved in the wrongdoing? And what will be the wrongdoing? And so it was just mischief. So I had to remind those people that one of them, who's the man who made that statement, he himself was invited by EFCC after he had abused Jonathan as much as he could. Jonathan brought him on board to become his spokesman, and he became his spokesman, in my view, shamelessly. You don't condemn Padediam, I end up consuming it all over. And thereafter, EFCC arrested him too. And I said, was I the one who granted him bail to leave PDP now to become where he is? Because I noticed that consistently, even on Labour Day, he was saying, some Labour leaders who have been involved in picketing, they fought for workers. He couldn't even credit me with that fact that I led protest. This is the guy who wrote Oshiomhole, the people's president, when I was president of the NSC. Right. Rather than credit me with that, they say, when they leave NSC, they now go and become governors, then they become senators. I say, if you are angry because you wanted to be deputy governor and you lost the election in Ogun State, is that the reason you'll be so paranoid that every opportunity you want to abuse me? You want to abuse me, don't hide under the TV, we meet on the street and we fight it out.
The thing is, I know that you taking a swipe at anybody who takes a swipe.
While Oshiomhole's demands has sparked mixed reactions online, what's your opinion regarding this statement? Share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and please continue to watch Naija News TV.